Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. A few things I gotta tell you guys. One, I did my hair recently. It was like a very orangey blonde, and I really was not liking it at all, so I ended up going to a different salon and they gave me this more ashy blonde, and I am loving it. Two, my boyfriend is gonna be launching his own clothing line. If you have not met my boyfriend, you should definitely go to my last video, the vlog that I posted of Top Sale, and go meet him, go check him out. Well, not check him out, but check out the video. But I am super excited for this clothing line, and he's super excited. I'm not gonna ruin anything at all for him. I'm just gonna let you guys know that this clothing line does have to do with Jeeps. So any Jeep owners out there, or anybody who loves Jeeps, or even if you don't even know what a Jeep is, you should definitely go check out his clothing line. So I'm gonna link his Instagram down below, so that way you guys can keep up with him, and just stay tuned for when he launches his clothing line. And the last thing I gotta tell you guys is I recently made my very own business cards. And what these business cards are for is I'm going to be promoting myself, because I'm not only going to be doing makeup on myself, but I'm opening up myself and just starting to do makeup on other people. So for any of you ladies who live in Miami or are near Miami and you're looking for someone to do your makeup, DM me, let me know. I will respond back to you and we'll work things out. Alright guys, that's enough chit-chatting. Now let's get into this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this night out makeup look. It's like a glittery brown black smoky eye, and I've just been loving this look. And if you guys would like to see how I do this look, then just keep on watching. But hold on guys, before you exit out of this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave, because I will be doing a huge giveaway, so stay tuned for that when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So come on guys, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends to subscribe to my channel, tell your friends to subscribe to my channel, and who knows, maybe you will be the winner of my giveaway.
I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
kiss, still burning. Didn't know I missed this passionate life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I'm a brother in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. Let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I would. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life than I would.
Every day is a win. Since I was told that you don't want me, baby, you're just calling. You know I try to hold on to it next to you. To you. To you. To you. Hold on to you. Running around in circles, stuck in the same rooms and places, like swimming underwater. But you control my heart with a spell, so I can't stand up. 'Cause I'm not the kind of girl who paints your perfect world. I can't stand up. I feel your heartbeat. I know you're concrete. Concrete, 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 concrete. I can't stand up. 'Cause I'm not the kind of girl who paints your perfect world. I can't stand up. I feel
guys, so this is the completed makeup look. Now the only thing missing is my night owl outfit.
Baby, you're just golden. You know I
Alright guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, remember, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel. I will also link all my social media down below in the description box, like my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. So go follow me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.